What's happening, family? Dr. Joe here, and I hope each of you are well and blessed. Well, the time has come. The time is here. Reset, renew, restore. If you are a past participant in the world's greatest transformational process, the 40-day turn-up and or the Journey 3.0 plus process, and you've lost your way, you've kind of stumbled a bit, you've fallen off the wagon, you need to get reset, you need to be realigned, you need to become restored. You've heard about Reset. It's designed specifically for those of you who've come through the process. You've lost your way, maybe not all of it, maybe you need to tighten up a bit, maybe some of the weight has come back, some of the bad habits have creeped back in, some of the good things that you were doing, you've lost it. Well, the beauty of this particular process, this isn't just you going back through, but this helps you to identify what the issue is. We want to train people so well that you never yo-yo, you never fall off, that you learn the foundational habits and pillars that you need for this to become a lifestyle. We had our first Reset class early in Q1 of this year, and believe it or not, it has been one of our most successful processes from the vantage point of a success rate. Almost 90% of individuals who started, finished, graduated, and got the results they were looking for. So if this is you and you have been a past participant of the 40-day turn-up and or the Journey 3.0 plus process, lost your way a bit, you need to be reacclimated to the person that you were. You want to discover, what's my issue? Why do I keep going through this? Well, this is the process for you. Join me tomorrow evening, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 5 p.m. I'm going to go over an informational session, letting you know what Reset, Renew, Restore is all about, letting you know how it works, how it'll be executed, what you should expect, when it's going to go down, so you can make an informed decision as to if this is for you and if this is the time for you. Now, we're going to be live on our Journey Life TV YouTube channel. Go ahead and go over to Journey Life TV, type in Journey Life TV, and when you type that in, subscribe to that YouTube channel. And tomorrow evening at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll be live going over all the information that you'll need to know. I look forward to seeing you guys on tomorrow evening, and me and my amazing team look forward to it. We are moving right along. All of our 40-day turn-up seats have been filled. We've got more than 3,054 people who are going to be in the next process. So now that that's done, we're moving to Reset. I'll see you on tomorrow evening, July the 20th, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't meet me there. Beat me there. If you can't see it live, watch it when you can. All the information will be there. We'll see you on the next one. Salute.